this is what you will love about our agency as well, which is very unique as compared to any other agency that do it there. The way we structure our engagements is that when you come to us, we perform 6 to 7 different important maintenance related functions: security patch updates, version updates, log monitoring, performance optimization, digital health of the property. We perform 6 to 7 different functions. Different people come on different schedules and they perform those jobs, and that is included in all of our maintenance plan. Plus, there is X amount of dev hours depending on your need. So there is a plan for everyone, every business, every size. But we do not want to be in an equation where the merchant has to decide whether he should perform upgrade or not, because we think that's a mandatory function to keep the lights on. So that's why we include those things in all our plans.